This one's called The Flying Bird. I wish I could say that I didn't wake up each morning and meet myself with anxiety, stress, and guilt. I wish I could say that the day didn't greet me with reminders that say you are not good enough. Like the times I forget I left the stove on until the smell of the burning aroma meets me in the other room. I wish I could tell you that the airy feeling I feel in my body allows me to see life from a bird's view, or that it brings about this dancing, joyous feeling to my day, but the feeling of not feeling my feet on the ground scares me. And I spend my day trying to find out how to come back down. Yet in those moments, I still feel no ground. Like I wasn't meant to be a walking bird. I was meant to fly, yet I let the world strap my wings and I can't get up from there yet. I keep trying to come down. I keep trying to find my root in anything that is around, maybe something that will make me forget that I am a flying bird. When will she be set free to go out and flap her wings and listen to the beauty that the world can sing? The one that she sought before she bought into who the world told her she should be. Don't you know, girl, you are a bird. Unlock the strap that has had you trapped and soar like never before.